Hello guys, and welcome to the David Simulator. In today's video we will be draining the radiator and we will be removing it. I've been asked many times, can you show us a video where the drain plug is and how to drain it? You need to remove the shroud first, which I did, and that's where the actual thing is. You have to spin. So to spin it, let's see here. The only thing is, you're gonna have this kind of mess coming down. The way it's located, there is no tube that it drains out of, so it simply shoots straight across like that. Makes a big mess, but gets the job done. So while that's going on, I gotta disconnect other hoses.
My name is Serge Zmaleta. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now, I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprint or Expedite or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.